Click off, friends of light. Color grading is a very powerful technique often used in photography and cinema. It can be used to enhance the contrast, to set a mood of the scene, or even to tell a whole story. Think about the epic scenes of your favorite movies and how many colors are there. Most likely 2. Or take a look at photos of sunsets, where you put a little bit of blue or violet in the shadows to enhance the glorious glow of the sun. But most of these techniques are used in post-production, so what can we do in light painting? Well, let's get my camera and show you. So one way of doing this is using these. They are parchment papers often used by kids to create window pictures to look through, or by using these, which are silk papers. It's very thin colored paper that you can also get basically everywhere. So what you do is you take one of the sheets, and after you've created your scene, put it in front of your camera and simply light it. And I'm using the Light Painter's flashlight because it has a very interesting mode for this. When you press the button, it emits a 5 millisecond flash. What you do is you don't shine it directly into the camera because you get very ugly hotspots. You want to skim the paper from the side. So it's basically lit a little bit of the center spot of the flashlight, and the light spreads evenly into your sensor. Using the paper method has the advantage that you can get these papers in basically every color you wish, but it's a little bit hard to get it evenly across the whole sensor or the whole image. You can use it to get some cool color grades or to put some more light in the corners or in the center, but in general it's very practice intensive and you will need a little bit of time to get it right. But you can also use these things. They are EL panels and you can also get them in a lot of colors, but the color selection here is a little bit limited. This one is also a white. It's a little bit blue, but you can put color filters in front of it, so maybe you can get other colors with it too. This method is a little bit different from the post-processing, because in post you can usually select if you only want to add the color to the highlights or the shadows, and with this the color will get to every pixel of your image. But you can create some cool effects, like if you use a yellow color you can create a retro looking photo, or you can bath the whole image in blue to make it chilly or cold, or you can use some orange or red to present danger or maybe warm up the whole image a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any more questions, put them down in the comments, and have a good day, and hopefully till next time.